up, guys? It's Junior, aka Semi here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications, because that does help the channel out. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do here, and you're not missing out on anything as well, guys. Because doing all that helps me get the algorithm out there more, so people are more aware of what's going on in the channel. So if you get the bell notifications on there, you get notified firsthand when my videos drop or whenever I go live, because you're not going to want to miss any of that stuff, guys, because I try to keep my lives fun, and I try to keep my content very up to date and entertaining for you guys to enjoy and be impressed with the stuff I do or find. So go ahead and do all that stuff. All right, guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a product review on a great product that I bought. It was no sponsor, it was nothing. I bought this out of my own pocket because I found this very interesting, because a friend told me about this, and I thought this was an awesome project that I think it's pretty cool. Honestly, I think it's pretty cool, and it's actually something that I think it's not something new, because a lot of people on cruise ships have been using it. I'm going to the Philippines, so this is something I'm gonna need to use when I'm in the Philippines, and I'm gonna get into it to show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this portable wireless router called Ryoko. Not Roku, but RYOKO. This is what it is right here. So basically what this device does, it is a subscription plan that you buy, and it's like a data plan you buy, and this is the router for it. The difference between this and any other pocket Wi-Fi or anything out there is this connects to any cellular network out there. Doesn't matter where you are at. On the website, there's a list of countries this is compatible with. This will give you 4G connection to any device you're on, whether it be on your phone, your tablet, your computer, whatever it is, you get 4G connection. Yeah, it's not 5G, but it is what it is. 4G connection, and all you have to do is turn this on, and this is your own personal hotspot. And how does it work? It works I read through the way, it uses the cell towers from any carrier around the world in the listed countries and their website, and connects to it and uses your data from here to connect to and give you the data you need for your devices, which I think is a pretty cool thing. I've seen devices like this in the Philippines, but you have to buy their SIM card, a portable Wi-Fi. Like, portable Wi-Fis have not been an old thing or new. It hasn't been a new thing. I mean, it's been around for a long time, but it's been mostly region based. Like if you get T-Mobile has their own little hotspot. You buy a T-Mobile one, you can only use it in the T-Mobile towers. You can't use it at AT&T towers. You can't use it at, let's say, across the country that doesn't have anything to do with T-Mobile, right? Of course, AT&T has one, Verizon has one, Comcast has one, or slash Xfinity. A lot of companies have it. Even Philippines, every time I've gone, I've bought one. I even still have one of they call it portable Wi-Fi over there. And they had it for a while. I've had one because every time I travel, I like to take them, and then I buy a SIM card over there, and I buy a data plan over there to use it. But this, you can use it anywhere in the country that is listed on the website. And when I tell you, there's a long list. It's like anywhere I've gone to, it's already been on that list already. So I don't have to worry about getting a SIM card from this country here, this country here, this country there, and boom. And the good thing about this, unlike the T-Mobile ones, the AT&T ones, the Verizon ones, this is a month-to-month plan for yourself. Like with T-Mobile and stuff like that, I think you have to be on a subscription-based monthly renewal. This doesn't auto-renew. This is you pay as you go, which is awesome. So they have different plans. I mean, yeah, depending how much you want. They got plans for 500 gigs. They got plans for 250 gigs. They got unlimited plans, which is the plan I'm gonna get when I'm leaving next week for this. And so well, by the time you watch this video, I'll already be in the Philippines using it. I might live stream something to test it out more so you can see it's working after the video shows. But overall, I think this is an awesome device. I'm gonna open it up because I haven't opened it yet, because this is the first time I'm opening it. I've seen the device in action because like I said, a friend recommended it because he was going on a cruise ship. I never asked him to work on a cruise ship, but you guys heard the news. A lot of carriers are confiscating these off of cruise ships. I think it started with Royal Caribbean. They've been cracking down on having these on the ship. They've been confiscating these from you because a lot of people use this to go on a cruise ship to get free Wi-Fi instead of paying for the Wi-Fi on their ship. And here's the thing. I thought like, yo, you're in the middle ocean. How is this gonna work for you? But then I thought about it a little bit longer. I'm like, wait a minute. Every time I've gone on a cruise ship, the cruise ship does have a Wi-Fi. It has a cellular antenna on there. It has a built-in cellular antenna. It uses Starlink. I think it's one of the carriers they use. And it creates a cellular data. So you're able to use your phone, but you'll be charged roam charges. But you have to connect to their cellular tower. So I guess that's how it works. It works with this. I don't know if this is the exact same one they were using on there, but this is the one I'm gonna be using. And see, I'm not going on a cruise ship, so I'm gonna ask my friend if when next time I talk to him, if it worked on a cruise ship. Because I told him it's not gonna work, because you're in the middle of the ocean. Where's the cell tower there? And he's like, oh yeah, you're right. But I don't know if he took it or not, but we'll see. But anyways, let's go and open this up to show you what's inside here. All right. So right in the box, you have the device. The device is pretty small, as you can tell from the box. It says Roku, whatever you want to call it. I say Roku because it looks like almost like the streaming device Roku. It says on the side there, and it has a barcode on the bottom. It tells you what it is. It's a 4G LTE Wi-Fi router. Okay, and it has a serial number, all that good stuff, MAC address, and in the back it gives you all the instructions, what's in here, what's included, which is. This has a built-in battery life of 3,000 milliamp hours. So you have Wi-Fi for I don't know how long that lasts. I think that's about maybe 20 hours, if I'm not mistaken. It doesn't say, let me see. No, but it doesn't tell me. It doesn't tell me anything like that. Okay, and oh yeah, sorry, it does say right there. I just saw it. It can hold up to 10 hours of usage, which is awesome. You have 4G LTE international connections, and speeds is fast up to 150 megabytes. Yes, it's not as fast as your home connection on your home Wi-Fi. Like if you have gigabit internet, it's not 1,000 speed, but hey, 150 is fast enough to do streaming and serve the web. Remember, when you stream, all you need is 20, so you still have 130 left, up to 130 left. And it's a secure Wi-Fi. They do provide you with the password name and temporary password on here, but I suggest you go ahead and change it once you get this device, if you decide to get the device. It can hook up to 10 devices, it says here. I don't know if you're gonna need that many more devices, but hey. But there you guys go. So you can hook up the whole family to this and then you'll be all set. I wonder if this works on the airplane. Because I know on the airplane there is cellular connection that you can use, but it connects to the plane itself. So I don't know if it works, but I'm gonna try and see if that works. Because I get free internet on the airplane too. But we're gonna check that out. I'll let you guys know after I come back or when I make another video, an updated video for this. But here you guys go. This is what it is. We're gonna open it up right now. All right, we're gonna open this up here. All right, so when you open it up, guys, you get it right here. You get introduced with this right here. This is a pamphlet for a docking station, a magnetic docking station. I don't know what it is really. It says, enjoy easy charging with a docking station. That's what it says right here. You can buy that. Here, you get 70% off on a enhanced translator right here if you want to get that right there. Here you have on a protective case, you get 70% off if you want that as well. A protective case to carry this. And then here's a manual how to use it. Very simple manual. And that's how the manual is, that's how long it is, double-sided. And it gives you all the instructions how to use it, everything. And they're using a company called Viota to get the data plan from. And it's a secure, according to this, you can browse the web, no ads, secured location, and it secures everything on your devices. So there's no worry about being hacked or anything like that. But then again, if you're gonna use this, guys, make sure you don't give it out to everybody you know. All right, so, and it's easy to hook it up right there. You turn it on with the green button right there. You turn it on for 4 seconds. It turns on, and it'll give you a QR code here to scan on the device itself, to your phone, so you can have pure connection on there. And then what's left in here is the device itself. Okay, so it gives you the device right here, and it gives you a USB-A to USB-C charger. So this charges with USB-C, and it also provides you with the SIM card remover in case you want to use your own personal SIM. That's up to you, but they do provide you with the SIM already built in, and that's it. And then we're gonna open up the device and show you how it looks. This is the device. I put it upside down. So on the side, you had the on and off button. You got the directional pad to go up and down. And then you got the OK button to pick an item. You have your IME number right in the back right here etched in. So you're not gonna lose that. You have your SIM card tray that goes right in here. And then this is the USB-C plug right there. Now let's turn it on and see if there's any power, because I know I have to power this up as well. Okay, so it powers up right there. You give it a few seconds for it to load up right there. Once it loads up, guys, it should give you a QR code to scan. So you can go ahead and scan into it, but we're waiting for it to light up. So it's very simple. It's all white and with a black LCD screen there. And there goes the connection so you can hook up to it. You see the green little QR code there? Trying to get it without there you go, that's perfect right there. So you see how the QR code right there, that's how when you scan and connect to the device itself. You scan your camera from your phone there, boom, and you're all set. You have pure connection right there, guys. Simple as that. It tells you the name of your device, or it will come up on your phone, and it tells you the password for it right there, which they put an easy password. They put 1 through 8, so they kept it simple for you to, so now you forget it. And then once you do that, you'll be all set. And let me go, so if you did want to change the SIM card, all you have to do is take it out here, depending what you want to use it for. You tuck it out here, and boom. They do provide you a SIM card, so I just want to show you, they do provide you with a SIM card already in here from Viota. Okay, right there. That's what it is right there. And then boom, if you take out the SIM card, it's gonna tell you right away, there's no SIM card available, as you can see right there. I don't know if you can read it that far, but that's what it is, guys. So again, like I told you guys, I'm gonna be traveling. So I think this is gonna be an awesome thing to use for myself. And I'm gonna try to live stream something in the Philippines while I'm in the Philippines, so you guys can see any updates on there. Because the last time I tried to stream in the Philippines, it came out very, very blurry because the connection wasn't that good from what I was using the pocket Wi-Fi from them. Because the pocket Wi-Fi from them, they use, I think, 3G connection still for that. I mean, you pay for what you get for it. I didn't pay that much for it. I paid like 20 bucks for 5 gigs of data. Yeah, I pay very little. And so, guys, this is something it's good for, if you're a traveler and you travel around the world and you want absolute connection like all the time, this is the device you need to use. So that's it for today, guys. I just want to show you the device, how it works. I'll leave a link down below, and it'll show you all the data plans they have available. I bought it directly. I bought it first to get the device, make sure I get the device before I leave, because I wanted to get it before I went to the Philippines so I could use it. And when I use it, I didn't buy a plan. It tells you to buy a plan right then and there, but I didn't buy the plan because I wanted to make sure I got the device. So I'm gonna go buy a plan now and hook it up, because I'm gonna be gone for 3 weeks. So now I'm leaving in a few days. Well, it's towards the end of the week already. I'm leaving next week, in the beginning of next week. So in a few days, I'm gonna be leaving. And I just wanted to make sure I got this in time. But since I got it in time, I'm gonna go order a plan on there. I'm gonna get the unlimited plan. I know for a fact the unlimited plan for 1 month is $50. And if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. But from when I read on the website, it tells you everything on there that it works in the Philippines for me. So I want to get it now to see if it works on a plane so I can test it on a plane. And then of course, I'm going to test it in the Philippines. It works in the Philippines and see how good it is. But then again, guys, it's a must-have. If you're a traveler, this is a great thing to have. But that's it for today, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't a big video, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them down in the comment box below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so, to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because, guys, you don't want to miss a thing. And that's it for today. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.